Thank you, Ladybugs, for joining me in another video. As you can tell by the title, this is my first video for 2023. I hope you guys had an amazing New Year. Christmas, New Year's, yes. I am looking forward to this year to bring you guys more content. I hope that uh, you will prosper this year. We will prosper. And with that being said, I'm starting out this new year with cleaning my new refrigerator, guys. My husband and I don't know why I keep saying but we saved our money to purchase this refrigerator. We don't like to go out and just spend money, so we'll put aside a certain amount, save money, just to purchase things that we want. This was a big purchase, but I love it, guys. My last refrigerator, it was fine, but the ice maker, every time I had company, like a gathering or something, a party or something, the ice maker would stop working. So it was just so annoying. I'm like, we got to get a new refrigerator. We had that refrigerator since we first purchased this house almost 6 years ago. So it was time to get a new refrigerator. In fact, it's time to change all of our appliances. So we are going to start saving again so we can purchase another appliance. But never here nor there. I love this refrigerator. The space over there on the right, there was another shelf there, but I had to take it down because there was no space to put like tall bottles or milk, soda. So in order for that stuff to fit, I had to take that shelf out. Um, there are a lot of shelves and stuff in here, and some of them I just don't know what to do with. So I don't know, place things in as I go, I guess, if that's what you want to say. But those of you who have never been to this channel before, my name is Stacy. I like to do cleaning videos, room makeovers, DIYs. I just love doing those things. And if you like those contents, I would love for you guys to join us, hit that subscribe button and the bell next to it, so every time I upload a video you will be notified. So yeah, guys, I have so much content that I want to bring you guys. I haven't been here in a while. You know, you guys are my ladybugs and my love bugs, and I appreciate you guys. We are getting close to the goal of the 500, but for the new year I would like to change that goal to 1,000. So guys, I know we can do it, so just continue to comment, share, and all that stuff so we can hit that goal for this year. So anyway, back to the fridge. This refrigerator is everything, guys. I'm still trying to learn how to work the temp and everything. The temperature and stuff is over there on the right. I don't know if you can see it because I'm in the way, but right there. I don't know how to set it or whatever. I guess it'll do it itself. It has been doing fine, so I don't know. But um, yeah, this refrigerator is everything. The freezer on the bottom, it holds so much stuff. There's like 2 drawers. You'll see when we get to the end of the video. And oh, also guys, I got a surprise for y'all. Continue to watch this to the end of the video so you can see what surprise this refrigerator has. I just love it. And the kids love it. Imagine that, the kids loving a refrigerator, but you'll see why at the end of this video. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you go ahead and sit back and enjoy this video. I probably will pop in again, not sure, But if I don't, guys, thank you so much for joining me in another video. And I don't know what the next video gonna be, but you rest assured it's gonna be something with cleaning because that's what I like to do. But please subscribe again for the new people who are watching this video, and for my love bugs who have been rocking with me from day one. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate it. And I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. So sit back and watch. Continue to watch.
Why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I had a dream about you last night. We're getting drunk at the local bar. I grab you close to my body, feeling the temperature rising, and for a kiss. Could you give me a sign, or maybe write me a letter? I just wanna get closer to feel the heat of your sweater. But why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Wait for her, guys.
My friends have told me I should move on, but I can't stop looking for clues. I'm going crazy, that's the truth. I'm going crazy, that's the truth. I'm going crazy, going crazy, going crazy. Could you give me a sign, or maybe write me a letter? I'm not sure anymore if it's gonna get better. So why can't you just fall in love? You are what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for. I've been acting like a fool, 'cause I tried to get you, yes, I was just obsessed with you, or maybe not.
Got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want bottle today. Tell me joy, where it's hiding, I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. 'Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Don't go off. Yeah. Nah, don't you go off, don't you go off now. Right. Look, hey, yeah, I woke up this morning living my best life. And if it isn't, at least I gave it my best try. I'm just enjoying the moments, 'cause ain't no next time. Tryna slide with my people on the west side. Yeah, moving different than all the rest, 'cause I'm by doing it different. New vision and no regrets. Man, I used to be a victim, repented of all my stress. Now, excuse me, I'm just venting and getting it off my chest, yeah. Believing one day we all ball, but once you get your shot, just don't turn to a ball hog. Putting my team on, if I'm high, we all tall. Just know I got your back. If you down, then we all fall. That's loyalty, baby. That's right, that's right. Can't control it, but that's life, that's life. Yeah, let's spend time more than we spend cash. You only got one life and they do it fast. But oh, I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle, you just want a bottle today. Tell me joy, where it's hiding, I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. 'Cause everybody got problems, everybody starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. That's right. Yeah, yeah. Don't you go off, don't you go off now. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's my time and I'm gonna shine bright. Yeah, look, I've been trying to find the light, waiting on it, trying to get the timing right. Switch it up, had to get my mind right. Now it's time and I'm about to shine bright. gonna solve 'em. Live it up, my calling, that's right. Oh, I know you got problems, know you at the bottom, know you took a loss today. Everybody want bottles, living for a throttle. You just want a bottle today. Tell me joy, where it's hiding. I've been trying to find it before I go all the way. Cause everybody got problems, everybody's starving, but don't you go off today, yeah. Don't you go off now. That's right. I got problems.